Hello and welcome to the free Click&Draw drawing course. Today we will see how to make gradients with graphite. I already made a video talking about colored pencils, and today it is their turn. The pencils we use today are the 6B, the 4B, the 3B, the 2B, and the HB. We begin by painting with the 6B in circles, darkening the drawing area more and more. Then, once everything is filled in, we apply 5B. Remember not to leave light areas as the gradient will be interrupted. A trick you can use is to squint to see the light and dark areas. Once applied, we repeat the process with the 3B pencil. If you left an area darker than another, don't worry, you can use the electric eraser that I did in one of my videos. I'll leave it up here. We apply the pencil B2. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. These videos take me a lot of time, so I would really appreciate it. And finally, we apply the final coat with the HB. If you like the video, comment and subscribe. That's all for today. Good luck and bye.